pandemic and the economic crisis have both brought the world to its knees. To get back on its feet, there has to be trust in all sectors. Sanacert is the ideal companion to have by your side. Perhaps you don't know, but a conventional, complete sanitization does not always guarantee the maximum security you hope for. Far too many solutions are often basic and do not comply with health authority guidelines. In general, a conventional sanitization is carried out by specialized personnel, using movements that hit surfaces without guaranteeing that the sanitizer covers every millimeter of the environment. Sanacert's technology, however, is different. It uses the principle of volumetric saturation by spraying sanitizers activated by atomization. It is a safe system that can be easily used by in-house staff. All you need to do is connect the device to your electrical supply, calculate the duration of the saturation, and leave it to work on its own. The device will work until complete saturation of the environment. Spraying solutions which are approved by health authorities for emergency situations like COVID. Furthermore, it is versatile, thanks to the accessory tools which allow it to be used in all types of open or closed environments. Every Sanacert device consists of an oil-free compressor which emits high-quality air. It is high quality and 100% made in Italy. Be safe, be happy. Sanacert. Don't risk, stay safe.